Hi everyone, this is Mahendra and I have recently graduated with the Bachelor's of Engineering and Technology with a specialization in cyber security and from AIMT Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, Guntur, Nasrobeta. After completion of my graduation, I came to Bangalore with the referral of my friend who already joined in the Jspiders, and he told me there is a best institute in the Bangalore. It was the institute which has helped most students to get a job. For with the reference, I have joined here. After joining, I have taken a Python full stack development, and who taught by the trainers name is Python will taught by Vivekananda R Vivekananda sir. After SQL is taught by Manoj sir, and after web technology like HTML CSS is taught by Vivekananda Chobe, and also JavaScript which is taught by Harsha sir. Then they are more helped me to get a good knowledge in technologies which I have taken Python full stack development, and also there is a Hari sir which has help me more to get a good knowledge in programming also. And in this institute, when I want to tell something about institute, it was a great institute because of in every weekend they will be conducting a mock interview which is already in the good knowledge in technologies, and also daily they are conducting presentation classes for which is already happened by in the class, and with the group members of 5 members which is have to tell what are the topics going on today. So I need to explain all the topics to everyone. After that, if any doubts got in your friend and your friend also, maybe the solves, if it is not solved by your friend by you, or else the trainers also will help you to solve all of the problems. And after that, the month end will be the going happen by the mock interviews which is taken by the trainers. And if you got remark, or else if you not good in technology again, they will provide you again a chance to give a mock interview. And also the HR team will help me more opportunities gives me to attend an interview. And I need to tell you something. In this institute, you will get more experience with all technologies which you have selected, and also it will help you more to get awareness of how IT is going on present situations. Based on that, they will also teach you, and also advanced technologies what they know, while during the class itself they will tell you how to behave, how what was the going on, how situation you need to handle everything, and interview preparation, what is that, what was to you have to improve, what is the communication skills, what are the level you have. They will all of them they will note you, and they will modify you whatever you need to improve. Then again also, and here I'm not sure I'm not sure I can say you it won't give you the 100% placement to chance. Then it will give you the 100% interview chance. So rest of the things you need to improve. Because of the skills only you will get a job, because they are starting from the beginning. You have whatever you know from beginning itself, they are tapping, and rest of this you need to good in technology, and you will have to get a job. That interview chance, they will definitely 100% they will give you. That's what I want to say about this institute.